Welcome to my nightmare. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Day Update for Thursday, October the 7th. And what a nightmare day this is. It is as quiet and slow as can be into a monster rally, which is exactly what we don't need. But in the meantime, as it is what it is, and the markets are always right. In the meantime, this update is brought to you by one of our brokerage partners, and I remind you that I have many brokers, okay, all the main ones you know, but the two that I prefer, and now we're talking about the one I want for equities and options, and that is Trader Brokerage. The first thing is $10 a month. How can you pass on $10 a month? I'll never know. It is, to me, that's like free, okay, and saves thousands and thousands of dollars. But hey, that is up to you. You trade where you want. In the meantime, traders get great customer service, and we have their APIs, which allows us to automate our equity portfolios for you at no charge. Okay, Trader doesn't charge, so you're still paying $10 a month. You've already got your membership, which you're paying, and you can have free trading done for you based on our parameters. So that is up to you, but check them out. try.trader.com/Bubba. That's try.trader.com/Bubba. In the meantime, as I said, it is as torturous as it can be. So again, it's almost an identical repeat of last week. Monday got clobbered. Tuesday made a dramatic comeback, or Wednesday made a dramatic comeback, and now we're higher and they're exploding today. Dow's up over 500. We're short them all. So Dow's up 500. NASDAQ is up 230. S&P is up 66. And the Russell is up 400. Okay. So a real sharp stick in my you-know-what. But it is what it is. We'll see what happens. The day is not over, nor is the trend. So for now, we're still short, and that's where we stand. In the metals, they are, as I wrote this morning for Kitco, they're just lousy. There's just nothing to do. I mean, it's not like they're going somewhere wacky. They're just rotating in a very tight range, compressing, getting ready to make a big move. And I still believe that gold has to take out that flash crash low before it's going to go higher, which means that not only is the trend short and we're short, but I expect the market to go lower. Okay. But again, if it changes, it'll change. And again, investing and owning physical metals has nothing to do with whether or not, I'm trading from the long or the short side. And speaking of physical metals, we're short silver. We would be short platinum. Okay. If we traded it, but we don't, it's not liquid enough. It is higher today. But we do have a great metals partner, and I might as well just tell you who it is now, and that's Strategic Wealth Preservation. That's where I do all my shopping. They do a great job. They got great customer service, and you can either take delivery or store. But check them out, swpcayman.com/Bubba-trading. That's Sierra Whiskey Papa, Charlie Alpha Michael, Yankee Alpha November. I said that wrong, but Cayman, CAYMAN.com/Bubba-trading. And of course, in the dollar is lower today. We are long. The Bitcoin is down, but listen, it's at 55,000. We are long it. Okay. The cryptos are going higher. That's what we thought. We knew, or we didn't know. We never know. We felt that all the government intervention was bull and that they would take over and start going higher, and they are. So we'll see where they go from here. They can go anywhere. They're going to be wild. Okay. Nat gas is lower again. Now we're still long, but as I said yesterday, if you remember, that was probably the top. That blow off they put in looked like the top of the markets. We are still long, but it is down now. But it's $1 off its highs. Okay, which is a pretty big move. Copper, we are short, and it is higher this morning, but it's really just churning at the lower end of the levels. The bonds and notes are under pressure, which makes sense. And of course, the bond vigilantes are pushing, which makes it even more hard to understand this market going up, especially with the jobs number tomorrow. But again, we'll see, but it is painfully quiet. The action is brutal. Okay. And in the grain markets, okay, you've got corn, wheat, beans, all lower. We are long wheat and short the other two. Look, I think that you have to just watch the action. I know there's a big report next week, which I could care less, but there is a report. And really, we're just churning around these ranges, and they've really just been doing nothing, basically, just going up and down like a yo-yo. As you take a look at the protein complex, and as we thought, okay, cattle has started to move a little bit higher, both fats and feeders. again, we told you that they looked like they, even though we were short, we told you they looked like they'd found some bottoms, and they are working their way higher. And I think that, look, we could see more, and the hogs have now clicked a little bit as well, as higher at the same time. So we'll see. Again, the complex looks okay. Hogs are a little pricey here, but, listen, we're going to get this dramatic inflation that we have, then certainly no price is too high. Okay. Unfortunately, the farmers are getting killed with the extra added cost to produce all this stuff. But in the meantime, in the softs department, as we told you, we are still long them all. Cotton is lower, which we also told you yesterday that was probably a top as well in cotton. And, from a trading standpoint, and a blow-off standpoint. But again, we're still long. But I mean, again, as a trade, it could have been worth a short. Coffee is higher. Sugar is higher. Cocoa is higher. OJ is flat. So you can see but it's so slow. This is from a trader standpoint, this is absolute torture. Okay. But you gotta come dressed every day to play. Okay. In the meantime, don't forget about our other brokerage partner, and that is, of course, for commodities and futures, and that is the Capital Trading Group. Now, again, remember, I have other brokers, but CTG Group, they are by far the best. Great customer service, the best in the industry. Okay. They manage and trade all my accounts. Okay. They're the only ones I've authorized for their direction. And of course, they've got some great products of their own. Check them out. That is info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba, info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And our agreement with family farms, they're such good people, and we'd love to do business with them because they have the same interests. We're aligned together to take care of farmers, because farmers want to work and take care of their farms and not worry about the rest of the stuff. And that's where we and family farms come together to help them do the things that they don't want to do. Check them out. familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. That's familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. And our commodity report, which is out from Andy Hecht, 40 years in the business. It is by far the best. If you trade commodities and have never read this report, shame on you. Go see a doctor. And of course, our new advisory role in the cryptocurrency world with My Chips, which is Michael Yankee, Charlie Hotel, India Papa Zulu.io. And the symbol, if you want to check it out, economics is Chips, Charlie Hotel, Papa Zulu. Check them out. They're going to be a great partner, and we're big believers. They're getting into the sports industry. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba-trading. It's patreon.com/Bubba-trading. Now that we're on our winning streak in football, let's see if we can keep it going. Rough game tonight. A lot of categories picked Seattle. A lot picked the Rams. We're taking the Rams for a little bit more. I think pizza, beer, and a dessert. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Day update.